Hey, AP Physics students. Here are a few hints to help you get started on T11.1, page 328, number 19. The, the thing you should look at first is as we've seen in previous chapters, you've got an incline plane, the pulley at top, and a couple of masses. Now, of course, in certain circumstances, these masses will move. One will accelerate the other one. In this instance, they don't move. They are in equilibrium. They're just sitting there with some kind of tight string between them. The tension in the string allows a wave to travel. If, for instance, as with a guitar string, when you pluck it, it would make a sound. And so the velocity of the sound wave on the string is one of the formulas you're going to use in this circumstance. So if you use the velocity formula, which is the square root of the force, the tension force, divided by the mass per unit length. So that's the formula that allows you to use to discover the force. So the force right there, this force right here, is the tension. It is the tension that the string experiences between them. But because it's not even moving, then what you recognize is that the force, the tension force, it comes from two different directions. But the tension has to be the same either way. So for instance, that force, that tension force, comes from the vector downward, and that's caused by gravity. And then the vector upward, which because of the pulley, is the force of gravity m2 times g. So gravity pulling on the one that's just hanging down is m2 times g. However, as you recall, if something's on a ramp, only the part of the gravity force that's down the ramp is pulling. So it would be m1 times g times the sine of the angle between them. So you've basically got three force formulas. You have the force formula that comes from this. You have the m1 g sine theta, which is the same as that tension force. And you have m2 times g. Now they're all the same, and so by working these out kind of simultaneously, you should be able to solve for the masses m1 and m2. Hopefully this will assist you.